Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tie-dye plain white 100% cotton masks. Super simple, and it's pastel colors, which I absolutely love. It's really simple to do, such few steps, and because it's starting to get colder out, people are going to get more sick, so we want to make sure that we're wearing our masks. And it's super fun to decorate them, because why not? Since it's a part of our way of dressing now, we might as well make cute ones to wear. And at the end, I'll show you what all of them look like, and if you like it, I'll be selling it on my Etsy, so I'll put all the links down below. So don't wear white when tie-dyeing, because that's a really bad idea. I'm definitely going to change. You want to wear something where you can get a little dirty. The supplies you're going to need for this project are pastel colored dyes, white masks, little rubber bands, and this container where I'm going to put the tie-dye in. And a glove, but my glove is kind of broken, and I just realized that. There's a finger missing. And some baggies. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up all these bags of masks, and I realized I actually have a lot of white masks, and I'm going to keep some for another project. Then I wet them all because they all have to be a little bit damp. And I'm going to create different designs using these rubber bands. It's super simple. If you don't have any ideas, just copy what I'm doing. Basically, for all of them, I'm either scrunching them or twisting them and then putting rubber bands on it to tell me what parts I should tie-dye. Also, if you're having trouble thinking of designs, you can always look it up on the internet, different ways to fold the masks. This technique, I think you guys should definitely try. It's something I've never done before. You basically take fabric and put a little bit up, and you have basically all these little balls on top, and you put different tie-dye on it. It's super unique. I've never seen it before. And these are all of them completely done. Now we get to start the tie-dyeing process, the best part. And for this, I have to use a plastic bag on my hand because I don't have a glove. So the first step is to put your wet mask one at a time inside the little thing, and then you do a layer of tie-dye. These can be any colors you want. You can mix and match. This is like the best part. And it also creates other colors when you mix them together. You'll notice that when you start to tie-dye. After you flip it over and you do probably the same colors on the other side. That's usually what people do. Or you can do different colors. It's totally up to you. Then after you put it in its own little bag, and twist it around so that no air gets in, because you need to keep it in a bag for around 4 hours if you're using pastel colors. And in between each one, you want to make sure that you wipe it down so you don't get the existing colors on it in case you're using different colors. This is what they all look like in little baggies. So afterwards, I washed them out with cold water and hung them up outside because it was such a beautiful day. And the colors look so beautiful in the sun. Like, look at this, guys. A movie. And these are all the masks completely done. Comment down below which is your favorite mask, and also what other colors you'd like me to make, because you can always buy them on my Etsy account. Don't forget, if you like, I need to check it out.